Hello and welcome to the Fact Flash. As all of us know, that the Bharatiya Janata Party has declared the name of their contenders for the upcoming local body elections. And this morning, I have been joined by Dr. Bharat Dangar, who is the state Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson. And over the next few minutes, we'll be talking to him. Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. So, as the names have been declared now, and BJP is on its mission 76 as far as Vadodara is concerned, and you now being the state spokesperson, there are several other places as well where the contenders' names have been declared. So, what is the overall scenario that is happening right now?
Overall scenario in the Vadodara city is very good because the Vadodara city is the base of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And here in municipal corporation from 1995, Bharatiya Janata Party is ruling. And we did so many development works. But main thing about our candidate, whoever declared yesterday by our parliamentary board, most of the candidates are well educated. Some are doctors, some are engineers, some are MBAs. So the plus point for the Bharatiya Janata Party is that we have educated candidate. Second, many youngsters we selected this time for the municipal corporation. Because what happened in a corporation, you find the problem every day. Some drainage issues, some water issues, some road issues. So we require young people. And that's why Bharatiya Janata Party parliamentary board decided, let's choose a young candidate. And I think in the history of the Vadodara, it is the first time number of the youngster is the largest one. So this is the benefit to Bharatiya Party as well as the people of the Vadodara also, because they can easily approach the young people, and the young people have so many energy, so much energy, so they can deliver very good. This is the plus point for the Bharatiya Party.
Now, sir, like we've been talking about it, BJP has been talking about it, Mission 76. So, how close currently, when the names have been declared, how close do you think is BJP to their Mission 76?
Obviously, because I already told you about the positivity of our candidate. The main aspect of the Bharatiya Janata Party is to deliver the best service in Vadodara city, right? And second thing, what in the Bharatiya Janata Party is different from other parties, that here we choose the candidate, but the candidate is not only fighting the election. The election will fight by the each and every karyakartas. So here symbolic 76 candidates, but the workers, the leaders, all together it's more than 2 lakhs karyakartas will participate in this coming election. So this is a great benefit to Bharatiya Janata Party, and that's why it seems that we definitely achieve 76 target.
Sir, just like every time, last night also there was a lot of dissentment among the people who did not get their tickets, or they thought that there was something wrong. What would be your message to them in a very positive way?
Listen,
This
sometimes
can
in
be in
family,
Hindi.
sometimes in family also, if some brother is getting something, some brother might be some, and they can in party, each candidate or each karyakarta can claim for the tickets. It's a happen. But after declaration, we have a system here. They can approach their feelings, always welcome. We can understand their feelings. We can resolve their issue also. But ultimately, the party, and we many times we told that in system also, it's a team, Vadodara team, BJP team Vadodara. They can resolve everything. Because what happened here might be we have a different education background, we have a different culture, we have a different age, but they all are equal in one thing, that all are the commitment to achieve the success, and that is success is the 76 out of 76.
Thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. This was Dr. Bharat Dangar with me, and as all of us know, that BJP has declared, and by this evening, the forms will also be filled for the upcoming VMC elections. And let's all hope and pray that the best one wins with this and everything that you need to know about these elections. Make sure that you keep watching the Fact Flash. Thank you.